Before plugging a hydrant, perform a visual inspection ensuring proper height and good access. Close the secondary valve to shut off the water supply. Open the hydrant to release any residual water pressure, and check for easy operation, verifying that there are 16 to 18 turns to the fully open position. Remove the hose cap to verify that there is no water flow. Remove the bonnet bolts. Open the hydrant fully to release the bonnet assembly. Remove the bonnet assembly and gasket. Insert the interior wrench. Thread the holding nut onto the upper stem. Draw the hydrant to the closed position to prevent damage to the drip lever. Unthread the main valve seat by turning counterclockwise. Remove the interior wrench and holding nut. Lift out the stem assembly safely. Rest the spider coupling on the top of the hydrant and re-grip. Locate the plug hole. Insert tapered drain hole plug. Lubricate with food-grade grease. Now reinsert the stem assembly. Thread in the main valve seat by turning clockwise. Insert the interior wrench. Thread the holding nut onto the upper stem. Draw hydrant to the closed position to prevent damage to the drip lever. Tighten the main valve seat. Now remove the interior wrench and holding nut. Position the new gasket and bonnet assembly. Tighten the bonnet assembly, leaving a 1/4 inch gap to allow for easy alignment. Insert the bolts into the bonnet assembly. Close the hydrant fully to engage the gasket. Now tighten the bonnet bolts. Reinstall the hose and pumper caps. Open the secondary valve. Open the hydrant and check for leaks.